Two things people never replace, and one of them will make you sick, guys. It will make you really sick. The second thing is going to destroy your engine. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a vehicle, having a car, guys. Gasoline, diesel, plug-in, hybrid, it will work on all of these. Two common mistakes people make, guys. We'll be talking about two components people never replace, and if you check your service manual, one of them you're supposed to replace it every 12,000 miles or every year. That's the worst case scenario. The other one, you need to replace it probably anywhere between 40 to 60,000 miles, and if you don't do it, one will destroy your engine, the other one will destroy your health. So stay with us, guys, and we'll explain what we're talking about. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So what two things people never change? One of them for the engine, guys. Now let's talk about a little bitty device that costs only a few dollars and it will destroy your engine. We're talking, guys, about a PCV valve. The PCV valve usually is somewhere on a valve cover. What is a PCV valve? PCV valve is known as a positive crankcase ventilation valve, guys. When the engine runs, the pistons go up and down. That creates, that creates some pressure in the engine. You have some blow-by gas from the cylinders that will make its way in the bottom of the engine through the pistons, through the piston rings, and that gas, blow-by gas and pressure, needs to come out. If it doesn't, you start building pressure in the engine immediately, and you will develop multiple, guys, oil leaks, you will fail gaskets, multiple things. It's kind of like the way your engine breathes, guys, okay? Otherwise, you just keep building pressure and you will fail multiple gaskets. Another thing, guys, the PCV valve is practically separates those, that pressure air in your engine will be mixed with oil fumes, vapors, and it will separate the oil, it will leak back in the engine, and the clean air will be injected straight in the intake manifold and burn through the engine. If that valve fails, it can fail in two different ways. One, stuck open and doesn't separate the oil fumes. You will just practically be pouring oil in the intake manifold, and you can experience increased oil consumption, burning engine oil, smoking out of the exhaust to the point that you think you need a new engine. If it fails, stuck close, actually something else could happen. You may develop multiple oil leaks. Also, if that valve is stuck open, you may develop engine light and codes related to lean fuel mixture codes such as P0171, 174, multiple things like that. The second component that people never replace, guys, is cabin air filters. This is a BMW. I'm not talking about a cheap car. This is a 5 Series BMW, and check out here, guys, right there, those are the cabin air filters that we just removed. 80-something thousand miles on the car. Check out the condition of these filters, guys, and it should look like this one. Always when replacing cabin air filter, do it, guys, on time, and use good high quality filters. This is a 4-layer filter with a HEPA, high efficiency, activated charcoal, plus baking soda, antibacterial technology as well, guys. This is practically cleans carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide, so it's very, very good quality filters, guys. Always use the best filters you can. Those are recommended to change every 12,000 miles or 1 year, whichever comes first. If you live in a contaminated area, dirtier area, more city driving, it's recommended to even change it more often. And the PCV valve, check your service manual, but usually it's somewhere between 40 to 60, maybe 80,000 the most. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.